Imagine eating your favorite foods every day, thinking they're harmless, while quietly destroying your kidneys without even realizing it. What if I told you that some of the most common foods in your kitchen could be silently ruining one of the most important organs in your body? And the scary part is, you might already be eating them right now. Many people don't realize that some of the foods they eat every day are quietly harming their kidneys. And the truth is that these damages often go unnoticed until it's too late. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are a big culprit because they are packed with sodium and preservatives that force your kidneys to work overtime. Every time you eat them, your kidneys have to filter out all the extra salt and chemicals, which creates constant stress that adds up over time. Even foods that seem convenient and harmless, like canned soups or instant noodles, are loaded with hidden sodium, and eating them regularly can lead to high blood pressure and strain on your kidneys. It's not just about salt, though. Certain foods contain additives, phosphates, and other chemicals that your kidneys must filter from your blood, and when they have to work nonstop, their function can gradually decline. Surprisingly, even foods often thought of as healthy, such as full-fat or flavored dairy products, can contain phosphate additives that are harsh on the kidneys. Then there's red meat, which, while rich in protein, produces waste that the kidneys must filter, and overconsumption puts unnecessary pressure on these vital organs. Fast foods combine all these problems at once, with high sodium, unhealthy fats, and chemical additives, all creating an overload situation for your kidneys. Many people eat these foods daily without realizing the cumulative damage occurring behind the scenes, and the scary part is that kidney damage often develops silently, giving you little to no warning until it becomes a serious problem, which makes it even more important to understand how the foods you choose directly impact kidney function and overall health. Sugar and sodium are two of the biggest hidden threats to kidney health, and most people consume far more of them than they realize. Sugary drinks, sodas, desserts, and even fruit juices with added sugar spike your blood sugar levels every time you consume them, which over time increases the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, both of which are closely linked to kidney disease. Your kidneys have to filter excess glucose and other byproducts from the bloodstream, and this constant overwork can slowly damage their delicate structures. High blood sugar also causes inflammation in the kidneys, contributing to scarring and reduced function over time. On the other hand, sodium, which is found not only in table salt but also in processed foods, canned products, fast foods, and packaged snacks, forces your kidneys to retain water to maintain balance in the body, which raises blood pressure and increases the workload on these vital organs. High blood pressure is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease, and most people don't even realize their daily habits are creating this pressure. It's not just about avoiding overtly salty foods. Even small amounts of hidden sodium in soups, sauces, and ready-made meals can add up quickly and strain the kidneys every single day. Managing sugar and sodium intake doesn't mean cutting out all the foods you love. It's about being mindful, making smarter choices, and finding healthier alternatives that don't compromise taste while protecting your kidneys. Drinking enough water, choosing fresh whole foods, and reducing reliance on processed or packaged items can make a huge difference in reducing the strain on your kidneys. Over time, these conscious choices help maintain healthy blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and prevent the gradual decline in kidney function that so many people unknowingly face. Alcohol, artificial sweeteners, and excessive red meat are often overlooked contributors to kidney strain, yet they can have a serious impact over time. Alcohol is particularly harmful because it dehydrates the body, reduces blood flow to the kidneys, and impairs their ability to filter waste effectively. Chronic or heavy drinking can also raise blood pressure and increase the risk of liver problems, which indirectly adds more stress to the kidneys as they try to manage toxins and maintain balance in the body. Even moderate drinking, if done frequently, can slowly accumulate damage without obvious symptoms, making it a silent threat that most people underestimate. Artificial sweeteners, while marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, can also negatively affect kidney function when consumed regularly. They can disrupt gut bacteria, interfere with blood sugar regulation, and studies have linked high intake of artificial sweeteners to an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. People often assume that diet or sugar-free products are safe for the kidneys, but the chemicals used in these products still need to be processed and filtered by your organs, and over time, that extra work can contribute to declining kidney health. Red meat is another factor that plays a role in kidney strain. While protein is essential for the body, excessive consumption of animal protein creates more waste that must be filtered through the kidneys. Over time, this can overwork the kidneys, especially if it is combined with high sodium or other unhealthy foods. Balancing your diet with plant-based proteins, staying hydrated, limiting alcohol intake, and avoiding excessive artificial sweeteners can significantly reduce kidney stress and help preserve their function for years to come. One of the most dangerous aspects of kidney damage is that it often shows no obvious symptoms until the problem has already become serious, which is why so many people underestimate the importance of prevention. You might feel completely healthy, full of energy, and think your kidneys are fine, while behind the scenes they are struggling to filter toxins, balance fluids, and maintain essential minerals in your body. This silent strain is one of the main reasons chronic kidney disease can go unnoticed for years, and by the time symptoms appear, such as swelling, fatigue, or changes in urination, significant damage may have already occurred. Because of this, proactive measures are critical, and diet plays a central role in kidney protection. Making small but consistent changes to the foods you eat, staying well hydrated, and being mindful of sugar, sodium, processed meats, and other kidney straining foods can help prevent damage before it even starts. Regular medical check-ups are equally important because blood and urine tests can detect subtle changes in kidney function long before you feel any physical effects. These tests allow you to catch potential problems early, giving you the chance to adjust your lifestyle and protect your health before complications arise. Many people think that as long as they aren't experiencing pain or discomfort, their kidneys are functioning normally, but the reality is that prevention and awareness are far more effective than waiting for symptoms to appear. Understanding that kidney damage is often silent encourages people to take their daily choices seriously, from the beverages they drink to the types of protein and processed foods they consume. By being proactive and informed, you can maintain healthy kidney function, reduce the risk of serious complications, and support overall well-being in a way that feels manageable and sustainable. The good news is that small, consistent lifestyle changes can make a huge difference when it comes to protecting your kidneys and supporting overall health. And it doesn't require drastic measures or giving up all the foods you love. Simple adjustments like moderating processed foods, reducing sugar and sodium, limiting alcohol, and being mindful of artificial sweeteners can significantly lower the strain on your kidneys. Staying well hydrated is one of the most effective ways to help your kidneys flush out toxins and maintain balance in your body, and even small increases in water intake throughout the day can have a meaningful impact over time. Incorporating fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily diet provides your body with essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys with unnecessary chemicals or additives. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts can help reduce the workload on your kidneys compared to excessive animal protein, while also supporting overall cardiovascular health and energy levels. Developing a habit of reading labels and being aware of hidden sodium, phosphates, and sugar in packaged foods is another simple but powerful strategy to protect your kidneys. Additionally, regular check-ups and monitoring kidney function through blood and urine tests can help detect early signs of strain before serious issues develop. The key is consistency. Small, deliberate changes made every day accumulate over weeks, months, and years, creating a protective effect that keeps your kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. By taking responsibility for your diet, hydration, and lifestyle choices, you empower yourself to reduce the risk of kidney disease, improve overall well-being, and maintain long-term vitality. These adjustments may seem minor at first, but their cumulative effect on kidney health and energy levels is profound, and the earlier you start, the greater the benefits for your body, mind, and future quality of life.